Hi guys, this week is a little bit different with the cards. They have a different forest or desert that you're going to learn about on every card. Okay, so our first card is called the Redwood National Forest, and your word is broad. Broad means wide or large from side to side. An example is a tree with broad branches is very wide across. Your question is, what word is an antonym, which means the opposite, of broad? So remember, broad means wide or large. So what word is an antonym of broad? So you're going to say an antonym of broad is blank. Remember, antonym means the opposite. Okay, an antonym for broad. Go ahead. Okay, the tallest trees in the world grow here. Like mighty giants, their heads touch the clouds. Thick branches, broad as a giant's shoulders, hold up the sky. All along the coast stand trunks as wide as the legs of a giant, so wide around it's a hike to circle just one. And far down below, twisted roots reach deep underground. I wonder, are they as long as the tree is high? These are a bunch of little poems. Okay, so card 2 is the amazing meadow. Your first word is swaying. Swaying means moving back and forth, back and forth. Your example is the branches of the tree were swaying from the soft breeze. Your question is, show how a tree swaying in the breeze looks. So this one you get to get up and do. Show how a tree swaying in the breeze looks. I'll give you a second. Okay. Your next word is plump. Plump means full and round. The peaches looked plump and juicy. The peaches looked plump and juicy. What is a synonym for plump? Synonym means the same. So what is a synonym for plump? So what else means full and round? A synonym. So you're going to say a synonym for plump is blank. Ready? Go. Okay, so the amazing meadow. How very amazing a meadow can be. Spring, summer, fall, winter. There's so much to see. The meadow's a carpet of flowers in spring, swaying like dancers as meadowlarks sing. In summer the meadow is sun-baked and still, except for plump honeybees down from the hill. Okay, that's card 2. Card 3 continues on from the amazing meadow, but your vocabulary word is twirling. Twirling means spinning around quickly. Example, the skaters were twirling gracefully as they glided along the ice. And your question is, describe things you have seen twirling. So what is something that you have seen twirl? So your sentence is going to say, I have seen blank twirling. Go ahead. Okay, autumn brings leaves orange, red, and yellow. Orange, red, yellow, brown, swirling and twirling and floating down, down. In winter, the meadow lies under deep snow, waiting for spring when the flowers can grow. How very amazing a meadow can be. Spring, summer, fall, winter, there's so much to see. And your last card is the Sahara Desert, and your word is dunes. Dunes are hills of sand made by the wind. Your example is, we crossed high sand dunes to reach the ocean. Your question is, where might you see sand dunes? Okay, the Sahara Desert. Sand, sand, swirling sand, a sea of swirling sand. No ships, no fish, no seagulls, just miles and miles of sand. Whoosh, whoosh, the lonely wind moans through the vast dry land, carving dunes high as the sky like islands in a sea of swirling sand. All right, bye guys.